8 Feng Shui money plants that attract wealth energy to your home. Did you know that there are plants you can add to your home that attract money and good luck in Feng Shui? Plants, in general, are great for Feng Shui because they represent growth and stability of the earth and wood elements. And they also purify the air and energy of your home. While any plant that is healthy and thriving will give your home or office an energy boost, there are several that have specific money and abundance-enhancing properties in Feng Shui. The 8 Feng Shui money plants you need in your home are: money tree. A money tree is one of the most well-known Feng Shui plants for wealth. The Feng Shui money tree plant typically has a braided trunk and stems with 5 leaves. They are fairly easy to find in most stores that sell plants and can range in sizes from small, dwarf varieties to dozens of feet tall. They are easy to grow indoors with moderate light, which makes them perfect to keep in your home's Feng Shui wealth corner. Or if you own a business, you can keep one by your cash register. I used to think I had a black thumb, but I've been able to keep my money tree alive for a couple of years now, so I can tell you that they are good plants for beginners. Just make sure you have bright light and don't forget to water it. Jade plant. In Feng Shui, all succulents symbolize abundance, but the jade plant is especially popular. In fact, there's a saying, "Jade at the door, you'll never be poor." Jade plants can live for decades and are easy to grow and maintain. They make excellent housewarming gifts. You can keep them anywhere in your home except a bedroom, where plants can disrupt sleep to bring abundance in that area of your life. They are also perfect to keep next to your Feng Shui wealth bowl, or by your front door, or in your home's entryway. Click here to see a picture of the Feng Shui Bagua map to see which areas of your home relate to the different areas of your life. They are super easy plants to grow, however, and don't need much maintenance. I like to keep mine in my money corner in the winter and on the front porch in the summer. Lucky bamboo plant. The lucky bamboo plant is one of the more traditional Feng Shui plants for wealth, good luck, and good fortune. The lucky bamboo plant is hollow, which means it allows water to move freely through its trunk, which is symbolic of moving energy. Also, many of them are kept in a vase of water and rocks and then tied with a red bow and a coin, which means the lucky bamboo represents all 5 elements. The number of bamboo stalks represents the different types of luck. 2 bamboos plant, love and doubling your luck. 3 bamboos plant, happiness, long life, and good health. 5 bamboos plant, the 5 elements and good luck in all areas of your life. 6 bamboos plant, new opportunities for wealth. 7 bamboos plant, positive energy and good fortune. 8 bamboos plant, the luckiest and most auspicious number. 9 bamboos plant, great luck for the receiver, good as a gift. 10 bamboos plant, completion. 1 bamboos plant, powerful blessings. The number for bamboo plant is generally considered unlucky, so you won't usually find a lucky bamboo with 4 stalks. Orchid. Orchids have round, colorful flowers and tall stems. This makes them great plants for prosperity and also love. They represent serenity and peace, which is especially helpful if you've had a tumultuous time with your finances lately. Traditionally, orchids were kept by royalty as a symbol of wealth and abundance. The colors most associated with money and abundance are purple, violet, and green, so choose either of those if you'd like to bring in more money. If you'd like to be abundant in love, choose pink. You can keep orchids anywhere in your home, but they are most auspicious in your home's love corner or wealth corner. Peace lily. Peace lily are easy to care for and give you a lot of bang for your buck, so to speak. They are excellent air purifiers and represent prosperity and purity because of their abundant foliage and tall, white flowers. They also bring peace, harmony, and serenity to the owner, so they are great if you'd like to bring calm to your financial situation. Peace lily droop when they need water, so they are great for beginners or people who tend to overwater. They also don't require a ton of bright light, so they are excellent for bathrooms or your desk at work. Citrus trees. Citrus fruit represents abundance in Feng Shui, so a potted citrus tree is an excellent way to usher in new wealth. Plus, their fragrant blooms and bright colors add lots of happy energy to your home. Of course, you can also eat the fruit, use it in high-vibe natural cleaning mixes, keep it in a bowl on your kitchen counter to bring wealth and abundance, and share it with friends and family. So that's a win-win for everyone. Keep a citrus tree on your front porch, by your front door or entryway, in your kitchen, or in your home's wealth corner to increase wealth energy. Click here to check out a potted lemon tree on Amazon. Also, check out how to use 9 lemons in a bowl to attract good luck. Pothos. If you can only get one of these feng shui plants for wealth, getting a pothos is my recommendation. There are so many different varieties of pothos plants that you will never get bored. They are low-maintenance plants and are a great plant for a beginner house plant enthusiast. Most varieties don't need bright light, so they are great to liven up dark corners and refresh their energy. They are easy to care for and are also great for plant hangers. Plus, hanging them from the ceiling can help raise the energy in any room. Pothos can go in any corner of your home to uplift the energy and attract abundance. You can also keep a pothos on your desk to increase wealth energy in your career. Pilea, also considered a Chinese money plant, Pilea is a fun, unique plant to add to your feng shui wealth repertoire. Even the leaves look almost like coins. They can be difficult to find locally, so I recommend ordering from Amazon or asking for a cutting of one from a friend. In fact, getting cuttings from friends is also considered lucky in itself. Even though these 8 plants are considered the best feng shui plants for wealth, any healthy plant that you love and take care of is good for feng shui purposes.